Hi friends, today we'll go through how to manage snapshots in VirtualBox. This includes creating, restoring and deleting snapshots. If you're new to virtualization, I would suggest to first watch my video about designing a virtual lab at home. Every hypervisor has its own snapshot feature and they all work basically the same. In this video, we're looking at snapshots in VirtualBox. A snapshot preserves the state and data of a virtual machine at a specific point in time. This includes VM settings, hardware configuration, for example hard disk, memory or CPU, the complete virtual disk state, which includes every file or bit, memory content if the snapshot was taken while machine was running. Most of the times you use snapshots when you want to test something or make a change and you're not sure about the outcome. Having the option to roll back the VM to a previous working state could in potential save you a lot of work and time by just loading a previous snapshot. Snapshots are stored in the same folder as your VM. You can take a snapshot while running a VM, when it's paused or powered off. But the best state is when the VM is powered off because this takes a lot less storage space on your disk. In this example, a powered off VM is only 2 MB, while a running VM consists of two file types, VDI and SAV, have a combined size of more than 1 GB. A play or stop symbol on the snapshot tells what the state of the snapshot was. SAV files are created only when a VM is running, which contains the hardware state and the memory contents of the VM. VirtualBox imposes no limits on the number of snapshots you can take. The only limitation is disk space on your host machine. Snapshots are available from the Snapshots menu or when running a VM from the Machine menu. Press Take, give the snapshot a corresponding name and description, which shows the state of the VM or what's the last thing you changed. It's important to provide a good name and description in order to easily distinguish between VMs. Here's an example of taking a snapshot while the machine is running. Now let's say you have applied a change to your VM but are not happy with the result and now want to restore it. There are different ways you can restore your snapshot. From the snapshot menu or when powering off the VM. From the snapshot menu, simply select the snapshot you want to restore to and then click on Restore. You can also restore to a previous snapshot when powering off, but you can only choose your most current snapshot. Try to keep the amount of snapshots to a minimum. 2 or 3 snapshots should be enough. Keep one early snapshot of a fresh installation in order to easily create clones, and after that you can create a snapshot before and after each change. But also clean up your history if you're not going to use previous snapshots. This is especially important if you have created running VMs which take a lot of space. If the change you have applied to your VM was successful and you decide to continue with the change, then you can discontinue an old snapshot. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you have questions regarding VirtualBox snapshots, put them in the comments and I'll try to answer them. See you in the next video.